I'd eat my hat. Baby, fancy that. If you wanted my love, I'd be in a haze, wouldn't sleep for days. If you wanted my love, yes, it would strike me dumb. I'd dislocate my thumb. If you wanted my love, I just free grab